How to clean hair out of bathroom sink drains tips. In this article I will show you how to clean hair out of bathroom sink drains. Regardless of how hard you try to avoid it, some of your hair will eventually clog your bathroom and sink drains. If your drains are clogged to the extent that your bathroom gets flooded, it is a good idea to call a professional immediately. However, if the clogs are small, and if the water has just started to collect around the drains, you can try some of the home-based methods that we have explained here, using baking soda and vinegar. What do you need? Baking soda, 1 cup. Vinegar, 1 cup. Dish soap, a very small quantity. Cup or plunger, 1, to hold the contents of the drain. Boiling water -2 quarts. Salt, optional, -1/2 cup. Process. Squirt a small quantity of dish soap into the drains as the first step. Pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the clogged drains. After this, pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the drains. Baking soda and white vinegar are very good in unclogging drains, as they help in dissolving the hair down the drains and fighting bad odor as well. As soon as you pour vinegar, you will hear the fizzing sound, as the acidic properties of vinegar start to react with baking soda. You will continue to hear this sound for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the sound stops, pour 2 quarts of boiling water down the drain to remove the clogs. Flush the drains properly before you turn on the faucet. Mostly, the hair would have dissolved by now, and the water would drain perfectly by now. If you still notice some clogs, you can repeat the above steps to get rid of all the clogs thoroughly. Though most of the hair would be dissolved, it is a good idea to use a cup or flat plunger on the drains, so that you can collect any hair that is remaining into this. Sometimes, bathroom and sink drains may get too clogged when hair and other debris are not taken out at the time of blockage. All of these can lead to drains becoming smelly and water getting accumulated due to poor drainage systems. In this case, you can pour 1 cup of baking soda and ½ a cup of salt down the drain, and let it remain there overnight. Flush the drain the next day using boiling water to get rid of all clogs in the drains. Additional tips and advice. It is a good idea to install drain guards in your bathroom and sink drains. This way, hair will get trapped in these guards, and they will not lead to clogging of the drains. Removing hair strands as soon as you notice from shower and sink drains is a must. When they remain near the drains for a long time, these hair strands get wet and sticky, and they can clog the drains easily. Always wear rubber gloves when cleaning the drains manually. This will prevent your skin from germs and unsanitary substances inside the drains. Click the link below the description to learn more.